Welcome to qnawire.
We have the two following compounds, CH3O minus Na plus and CH3 CH2 Br. In organic chemistry notation, this would be the compound with a single carbon atom, oxygen negative, sodium plus, and two carbon atoms with a bromine over here. We're going to have a partial negative charge on this bromine atom and a partial positive charge on the carbon atom, so we can look at them in this way. So using a curved arrow mechanism, we need to know which we want to draw an arrow from which particular atom from the nucleophile, the one that is going to act as a base. As you can see, the nucleophile is going to be the one over here, and the electrophile will be the species down below, which is going to generate a substitution. So what is going to occur is that in this scenario, I'm going to write down this compound over here. Remember that we have a lot of pair of electrons. I'm going to write down the Br over here. Remember that we have a partially negative charge and a partially positive charge. So what is going to occur is that we're going to generate a bond over here and take the pair of electrons towards the bromine atom. So what this is going to generate is the oxygen connected to this group as follows. If you want to write it down as a chemical formula, this would be the compound corresponding to CH3O CH2CH3. So the answers over here would be which particular atom from the nucleophile donates a pair of electrons. This would correspond to the oxygen atom with a negative charge. To make a bond to which particular atom in the electrophile, the particular atom would be the carbon atom that has a partial positive charge, as you see from our curved arrow mechanism drawn here. Of course, over here, one of the byproducts would be Br minus, but in this case, it really doesn't matter. Okay, and with this, we can finally draw a chemical equation using arrow for the above reaction, reactants, and products. So these are going to be the reagents, these are going to be the products, and with that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one. Let me just emphasize that this part over here would be your chemical reaction. Okay, and with that, it would be all. Let me just add additionally the spectating ions that we're going to have. So this is going to be a negative charge with sodium plus, with Br over here with a partial positive and a partial negative charge. So the mechanism is going to be as follows. The attack over here to this carbon atom, taking the pair of electrons, producing the compound that we had, plus Br minus and sodium plus that are going to be present in solution.